In the world of DIY, your living space is a canvas, and you're the artist. Ready to transform your room from mundane to magnificent without breaking the bank? All you need is a paintbrush and a splash of color. Step 1, choose your color. Go for bright, pastel, or bold, whatever reflects your personality and brightens up your room. Step 2, prep your room. Clear the area, tape off edges, and lay down drop cloths. Preparation is key. Step 3, start painting. Dip your brush, roll your roller, and witness how each stroke breathes new life into your room. Step 4, decorate. Once the paint's dry, bring in accessories to complement your new wall color. Think about pillows, curtains, or even some DIY art. Step 5, time for the grand reveal. Show off your transformed space. Before and after shots are a must. And remember, if you're buying a new house and need expert guidance, reach out to the Gurpreet Ghatehora real estate team at RE/MAX River City, 780-951-6530. Your dream home is just a call away.